just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or two.
Oh my goodness, these days my best art is coming from scraped paws, ones that I'm not happy with, having more success with my failures. I'll take anything, because certainly getting high definition photos of these and getting prints, you know, they're a good seller. So I'm happy with it. That was really loads of movement in that, really beautiful colours, and it thankfully didn't turn muddy. So I hope you enjoyed that craziness.